Kurumjari, Namaste, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm taking you to a really cool spot, a Maggi cafe. Yes, you heard that right. It's open till late in the evening. It's cozy and they serve some wild Maggi combos I've never seen before. Let's go check it out. The vibe here is super chill, perfect for a late evening snack. They have got tons of Maggi varieties on the menu, from cheesy to spicy and even some fusion dishes I didn't expect at all. They also got fries, burgers, momos, etc. Testing time. Okay, here comes my chili garlic Maggi. It smells amazing. Let's dig in. That's aromatic, flavorful, and still has that classic Maggi flavor we all love. Yeah, a big thumbs up. I am honestly impressed. I thought it would just be regular Maggi with toppings, but it has its own twist. Late night evening cravings, 100% sorted. Now I'm trying the coffee, and honestly, it was superb. On the meantime, I'm listening to their conversation, so my eyes are wandering here and there the entire time. Alright, that's a wrap on tonight's Maggi adventure. If you are a Maggi lover, this place is a must try. Let me know in the comments what's the craziest Maggi combo you ever had. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss more foodie content. See you in the next one.